Nicole here. Welcome back to my channel and please like, subscribe, and share. And I'm with my Ninang.
Hi everyone!
So today guys, we're going to be making some slime. But first I'm going to be showing you my ingredients. First we need grease. It's supposed to be Ariel, but this is Filipino slime. That's why it's not it's not like a slime like it's not American slime. But yeah, so we have some grease and we have glue. We have a plastic knife, but it should be a spoon. So yeah, it should be a spoon, but yeah, but it should be actually a spoon, but we can't find one. So yeah, and we have some scissors for cutting the grease, and we got a container. So let's get started. Are you ready, Nina?
I'm ready!
So what are we
So I think we should first cut this.
yeah, but first we're gonna be putting some glue. Let's put,
Yeah, I'll do the cutting.
yeah,
And
but,
then you do the glue.
yeah, but first I'll open the glue and then
I'll
you
just
cut
cut this
yeah.
first
Let's
because-
do it together, yeah, to make it fast.
Yes, okay?
So actually it's small because my slime will be small, but the container is so big. I'm gonna put all of it.
So we'll just be using one pack.
Yeah, I'm gonna use all of it because it's only a little. Guys,
Can
look.
they see? Can they see
Yeah.
what's happening?
Yeah, they could see. Can you show it? So guys, look.
This is what Nicole's doing. She's
Yeah.
putting all the glue.
I'm actually spreading it so I can mix it later. So yeah. And by the way, guys, my Lola's here. Say hi, Lola.
Hi! Hello!
So let's go make some slime. We're making slime, Lola. Okay. So guys, look. It's actually very hard. Actually, that's my brother. My dog Yin Yang, remember her? I did videos of her. She was actually doing barking, but we started the video after because she's so noisy. She might not hear. Oh no, I hear her cry.
Who?
Yin Yang. Yeah, okay, so. So, okay, so guys, we're gonna put it back here. Go put it. You go. And then now again. Wait, what are you doing?
No, like that.
Okay, yeah, there. Okay, now can you, wait, is it open now?
Yes.
Okay, but she'll wait. So, squeeze in the blood.
Why don't you just open the glue?
Oh,
The
great
whole...
idea. Great idea. I didn't do that.
No, here. This
Wait.
one.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. Okay, guys, we're gonna put. Oh, there's a bubble, guys. There's a bubble. If you can actually see, but stop. Okay, let's go put.
See? It's much easier.
Yeah, I know. Squeeze. Oh, there's a bubble again. I pop it. There's one more. Okay. Okay, guys. So we have it. Now we're gonna put some grease. So yeah. We can't find any Ariel that like powder. That's why they're all powdered. The Ariel. So yeah, go. It's a detergent. Ooh, my slime will be blue, not white. Okay. Put there that side. There, put there. Okay. Why are you putting that there?
What?
Put there. Right there. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you'll mix, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So. Guys, there's bubbles. I like smell. Smells
Does it
good.
smell much better?
Yeah, it smells like perfume. Okay, so done. So guys, actually, if you could see, now we're gonna mix it.
Smells good.
I told you. Oh, it's not. Wait, is this a fail, please? No. I'm gonna. Where's the other slimes? Oh, I'm scared. Maybe this might be a failure. Guys, if you can see, I put too much glue, that's why.
I think we put too much detergent.
Yeah, so... Wait. No, it's gonna fail. I don't know, guys. Guys, this actually might be a failure.
Is there no more glue?
No!
No, so that no more glue. I think we placed too much detergent.
Oops. This is gonna be a failure. Wait.
Oh, there's still a lot. You just need to mix.
Yeah. I need to put the glue. There. Let's go. Let's go mix this, guys. We're mixing.
Mix more. There's a lot of glue on the other
I'm
side.
gonna go to that side because there's more glue.
Oh, it's dripping.
Oops, oopsie. So now, oh, it might be a failure. So, by the way, my Lola's there and she's like smoking something. But Ninang, guys, can you put it like there?
Uh-oh. Or I think this is too much watery. Not
Yeah.
unlike Ariel.
Yeah.
It's
oh
much
my
more
gosh.
concentrated.
Guys, I'm sorry. This might be a failure. Please don't.
So,
No. Can we try mixing more?
no. If you put more detergent.
No, mixing more.
Yeah, try.
Guys, oh my gosh.
No, I think this has water. Not unlike Ariel, it's much more concentrated.
Yeah, but... Oh, oh. Guys. It's very sticky. No. This failed. I really wanted... Oh my God.
So it's a failure. We'll just try again.
Yeah, but...
With Ariel.
Yeah, but...
We'll just need to throw that.
Ah.
Yeah.
Ew.
Sorry.
So, guys...
It's a failure.
Yeah, it failed. Come on. I hope I was very
So next time, we'll
excited.
just do it next time.
Ew.
Okay, say?
Bye-bye, guys. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you like, subscribe, and share this video. But this failed, guys.
It's alright.
Bye.